Hi, I'm Sandra Smith, Product Manager for Wexxar Bel. Recently, I've had a lot of conversation with customers looking to find ways to meet their state and local guidelines to maintain operation. A lot of those applications have been traditionally working with a hand pack operation, or they've seen a surge in their product demand, and the only way to meet that is to increase it through a hand pack operation. And the hand pack operation is just much less effective from a labor, floor space, inconsistency, wasted materials, time needed point of view, but more importantly, it generally has operators crowded together working around each other. And so what they are looking for is a flexible solution that gives them some mobility, adaptability to meet the three needs of their packing line, which is the forming of the packing and the sealing. Which is why our BEL 5252U is incredibly popular right now with those types of end users, because it allows for less clutter, more consistent forming of the cases. It makes it ergonomic for the operator to load the case to gain greater efficiencies and throughput. And then of course product protection and the consistency in the sealing is something they like as well. And when everything is said and done and this is all over, they have this mobile system that they could deploy. So the investment itself makes a lot of sense for the current situation that we find ourselves in.